Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. My name is Behzabin Mifta and I am your host for today. In my left side, I have Team Blue. Please introduce yourself.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Freehand. I am from KT 134. Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Mr. bin Muqtadir from KT 134.
Thank you. And on my right side, I have Team Red. Please introduce yourself.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Freehand Reddy. I am from the batch KT 134. Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Salin Shajajara and I am from KT 134.
Thank you, Team Red.
Welcome.
So today we have a quiz competition. Are you ready, guys?
Yes.
Okay, let's get started. First question for Team Red. Ready?
Thank you.
Your question is, what had happened when Ibrahim called the birds? Your option A is they had remained lifeless. Option B, they had returned alive.
The correct answer is option B.
Thank you. Your answer is correct. Your team earned 5 points. Next question for for Team Blue. Farhan. Your question is, what had this merciful transcended Ibrahim? Your option A is his. What had this merciful transcended in Ibrahim? Your option A is his confusion. Option B, his faith and peace.
The correct answer is option B.
Thank you. You are correct. Your team has earned 5 points. Next question for Team Red. Your Zara. Your question is, why had Ibrahim questioned idol worship? Your option A is he had followed the other blindly. Option B, he had thought deeply.
Option A.
Sorry, you are wrong, Zara. You didn't earn 5 points. Next question for Team Blue, Mifta. Your question is, why had Ibrahim questioned idol worship? Option A, he had followed. Your question is, why had Ibrahim realized about idol? Your option A is they had possessed hidden power. Option B, they had been powerless object.
I think the option is A.
Sorry, you are wrong. You haven't any points. So we can see Team Red and Team Blue were draw match. Thank you for listening to us. Bye bye.